Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to be the last you'll ever need, the Our-Place Titanium Pro Cookware Duo. This isn't just another set of pots and pans. Our-Place is touting this as a premium, next-generation non-toxic cookware solution, and we're here to put that to the test. At its heart, this duo consists of the Titanium Always Pan Pro and the Titanium Perfect Pot Pro. The idea here is consolidation. They're designed to replace an entire collection of cookware with just these two essential pieces. That's a bold claim, and one we'll explore throughout this review. The star feature, and what really sets this apart, is their patented no-coating non-stick technology. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that rely on synthetic coatings like PTFE or PFOA, Our-Place has engineered a titanium interior that naturally releases food without any added coatings. This means you're getting a truly non-toxic cooking surface, free from PFAS, which is a major selling point for health-conscious consumers. The description highlights that food cooks, releases, and browns beautifully once properly heated, offering a chef-approved experience. This is a crucial point to consider for anyone wary of chemical coatings. Durability is another major focus. This Titanium Pro cookware is built to withstand extreme heat, safe up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, though the gold finish is rated slightly lower at 750 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can confidently use metal utensils without worrying about scratching, and you can even pop these directly into the oven for finishing dishes. They are also dishwasher safe, which is a huge win for everyday convenience. This level of toughness is what you'd expect from professional-grade cookware, and the fact that it's integrated with a non-toxic, no-coating surface is quite impressive. Let's break down the two pieces. The Titanium Always Pan Pro is described as a versatile frying pan. It's wide, responsive, and ideal for searing proteins, sautéing vegetables, shallow frying, and finishing dishes. The Perfect Pot Pro is a deep, generously sized cooking pot, perfect for handling everything from hearty soups and stews to braises and grains. This combination aims to cover a vast majority of your cooking needs, from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate weekend creations. The construction is fully clad tri-ply. This means each piece has a stainless steel exterior, an ultra-conductive aluminum core for fast and even heating, and that reinforced titanium interior. This layered approach is a hallmark of high-quality cookware, ensuring consistent heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, which is vital for preventing hot spots and achieving perfect results. Compatibility is also a key feature. This set is designed for all cooktops, including gas, electric, and induction ranges. So, no matter what kind of stove you have, you should be able to use this cookware. Now, let's talk about the pros. The primary advantage is the revolutionary no-coating non-stick technology. It offers a truly non-toxic and PFAS-free cooking experience, which is a significant health benefit. The extreme durability, including being metal utensil and dishwasher safe, makes these pans incredibly user-friendly and built to last. The versatility of the Duo is also a major pro, as it genuinely replaces a substantial portion of a typical cookware collection, saving space and simplifying kitchen organization. The even heating and high heat tolerance are also excellent for achieving professional cooking results. However, there are always cons to consider. The biggest hurdle for many will likely be the price point. Premium materials and advanced technology come at a cost, and this set is an investment. While they claim to replace an entire set, the initial outlay is considerable. Secondly, while they are non-stick without a coating, achieving that perfect release often requires proper preheating and the correct amount of fat, just like with any high-quality pan. It's not a magic bullet that requires zero learning curve, especially for those accustomed to traditional coated non-stick. Finally, while gold is a beautiful finish, it might not be to everyone's aesthetic taste, and the slight difference in heat tolerance compared to the black finish is worth noting for extreme searing applications. In conclusion, the Our-Place Titanium Pro Cookware Duo is a serious contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with durable, healthy, and highly functional cookware. The no-coating non-stick is a game-changer, offering peace of mind without sacrificing performance. The robust construction and versatility make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're willing to invest in quality and prioritize non-toxic cooking, this duo is definitely worth a close look. Link in the description.